Galaxy of learned intellectuals, respected teachers, our friends, colleagues, and dear blooming students. This is Suresh Bhardwaj with his adverb clause of cause or reason. Adverb clause showing cause or reason. To combine two sentences, more than two sentences using adverb clause. Adverb clause of cause or reason. Of cause, एक principal clause होगा, principal clause, then subordinate clause, principal clause, subordinate clause में कौन? adverb clause of cause, कारण, reason. And then तब क्या बन जाता है? That is complex sentence. Complex sentence बनाना है. To combine two sentences or more than two sentences into complex sentence using adverb clause of cause or reason. Adverb clause showing cause or reason. So connectors, conjunctions I would like to write. Because that, since, now that, since, as for, because that, since, now that, as for, now that, as for, since, as for, and now that. These are the connectors, okay, subordinate conjunctions. Using any of these to combine two sentences into one complex sentence. Let us learn. I cannot attend the meeting. My meeting attend नहीं कर सकता हूँ. One sentence, okay. I am ill. मैं बीमार हूँ. तो कारण बता रहा है. I am ill, एक कारण हो गया. I cannot attend the meeting, कारण. तो what does it mean? I am ill, मैं बीमार हूँ. बीमारी का कारण बता रहा है. I am ill means combine these because. Combined into one, two sentences combined into one using because. Connection, ये आपका connector है और वो conjunction है because, showing cause or reason, कारण बता रहा है. Because क्योंकि I am ill, मैं बीमार हूँ means कारण बताया और इसलिए meeting, I cannot attend the meeting. This is your principal clause and this portion adverb clause showing cause or reason, complex sentence. Cause or reason. She is in trouble. वह कष्ट में है. She is in trouble. Right? One sentence here. I should help her. मुझे उसकी मदद करनी चाहिए. क्यों मदद करनी चाहिए? She is in trouble. वह कष्ट में है. तो प्रयोग देखिए, जोड़ते हैं. Since से या as, चूंकि. Since means चूंकि, इसलिए कि. As चूंकि और इसलिए कि. She is in trouble. वह कष्ट में है. चूंकि वह कष्ट में है तो I should, तो कामा दे दिया तो I should help her, मुझे मदद करनी चाहिए. प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज and this is now adverb clause showing cause or reason. Adverb clause showing cause or reason. Now complex sentence it is. She cannot dance. One sentence, right? She feels sickly. She feels sickly. Weakness, कमजोरी, and tiredness, थकान, weakness, थकान वह महसूस करती है. sickly में बनाया हुआ, weakness कमजोरी, and tiredness वही थकान महसूस करती है. तो महसूस करते हैं. She cannot dance. वो डांस नहीं कर सकती है. Okay, to be combined into one. Two sentences to be combined into one using adverb clause showing cause or reason. देखिए, she cannot dance for क्योंकि for she feels sickly, weakness and tiredness. For क्योंकि वह महसूस करती है sickly, weakness, tiredness. Adverb clause showing cause or reason, and this portion principal clause. Now complex sentence structure, that is complex sentence. Here dear, you are learning how to combine two sentences into one complex sentence using adverb clause showing cause or reason. Just you are learning how to do. I regret. मैं खेद प्रकट करता हूँ. I could not keep my word or words. I could not keep my word or words. Right? मैं अपने शब्द या शब्दों को वचनों को नहीं रख सका, निभा पाया. तो I regret. मुझे कष्ट होता है, खेद होता है. तो किससे जोड़े? That से जोड़ दीजिए. That means here क्योंकि. In this sense, that means here क्योंकि. I could not. I regret. मुझे कष्ट है, खेद है, दुख होता है. That क्योंकि I could not keep my words. मैं अपने वचनों को पूरा नहीं किया, शब्द पर खरे नहीं उतरे. तो adverb clause and showing cause or reason, and this portion I regret principal clause complex sentence. ये बड़ा सेंटेंस कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस बन गया. आगे देखिए. The rain has stopped. वर्षा रुक चुकी है, वर्षा रुक गई है. The rain has stopped. वर्षा रुक गई है, बंद हो चुकी है. One sentence, okay? The rain has stopped. दूसरा सेंटेंस. We should move on. We should move on or march on. हमें अब आगे बढ़ना चाहिए, चलना चाहिए. Two sentences to be combined into one complex sentence using now adverb clause showing time. देखिए जरा, जोड़ देते हैं. Now that, चूंकि या इसलिए, चूंकि और इसलिए कि, चूंकि और इसलिए. The rain has stopped. वर्षा, चूंकि वर्षा रुक चुकी है तो कामा दे दीजिए. वी शुड मूव ऑन और march on. It is your principal clause and adverb clause. ये this is your adverb clause showing cause or reason. वर्षा रुकने का कारण. Now that, चूंकि, इसलिए कि, या आप क्योंकि अर्थ में भी ले सकते हैं. क्योंकि the rain has stopped, वर्षा रुक चुकी है तो we should move on, हमें आगे बढ़ना चाहिए. march on, आगे बढ़ना चाहिए. चूंकि अर्थ में, चूंकि अर्थ में, इसलिए की अर्थ में, क्योंकि अर्थ में. Now you have seen now that. Use of now that का प्रयोग आपने देखा. You have seen here. Okay. I was busy. I was busy. मैं busy था. One sentence. I was busy. I did not pay attention. I did not pay attention. I did not pay attention to. एक बात. I did not pay attention to. You said. आपने कहा. Three sentences here are here to be combined into one. 3 sentences का प्रयोग हम combine करेंगे. Let me combine these three sentences into one complex sentence. I was busy. As I was busy. चूंकि, क्योंकि, or in the sense क्योंकि I was busy, मैं busy था, right? I did not pay attention to. Did not pay attention to what you said. Here you see, as I was busy, क्योंकि I was busy, मैं busy था. I did not pay attention, मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया. To what you said, कि आपने क्या कहा. तो I did not pay attention. Principal clause, right? To what you said, noun clause. And as I was busy, adverb clause. Okay, adverb clause showing cause or reason. So complex sentence. As I was busy, adverb clause. Or to what you said, noun clause. And I did not pay attention. Principal clause combined into one. So this structure, it is now complex sentence. Yes, dear. Now, okay, dear, you combine sentences into one complex sentence using adverb clause. Okay, please do. If you like, do share and subscribe. Wish you all the best and brightest. Thank you.